Aye, aye.
Aye, aye. Steppy up, eh?
Oh, am I?
Well, aye. A big improvement.
Can we just get on?
What do you mean? Big improvement?
If you're the last blonde you took on here for a ride.
Come on, let's go sit down now.
What was the deal with you like?
Well, there's nothing really a deal here. Nothing a glay. But, well, you looked shackled.
Shackled?
Aye, like you thought you could do better for yourself.
I never thought that.
Aye, well, doesn't it matter now? You've made a great trade in here.
I'm nae a bloody trading.
No?
No.
A bit of an aside on.
Is this guy for real?
She is not.
I'm nae feel. What do you want? Best of luck to yous.
What am I needing your luck for?
In case the old blonde catches you. Oh, she's a big strapping lassie. A right bruiser. She might be prone to a bit of violence, aye. Just if I see her chances.
I didn't hear another blonde.
Aye, you div. Yon big beefy sorter with the straggly hair.
Yon big beefy sorter, that's my wife.
Your wife?
Aye.
So, what'd you cry a scene on?
Essene is her sister.
You can keep a girl.
It's not like that.
Is it nae? What is it like on?
What's not like that at all? It's
No?
nothing like that. I'm not even doing it. I need to explain myself to you.
Well, I think you do.
Well, for God's sake, it's my sister's 25th birthday. She's out with her workmates and we're going to her surprise party.
Nah. I don't believe that.
Aye, it's true. We've been organising it for ages.
No, she is much older than 25.
Oh,
25. She's 25. She's 25, alright. My wife, I'm her husband. It's 25, alright. I would ken. We're happily married. God. I'm lying. I don't love her. I don't think I've ever loved her. I think I love her sister.
Alright then, here, see it and we'll get going.
Big Money's Pizza.
Big Manny's Pizza.
Aye.
Big Manny's Pizza.
Aye.
Here,
Aye.
just up here.
Big Money's Pizza.
Who are you, man?
51? For why?
You look a good 10-year older.
Eh?
Have you seen yourself?
Are you coming the bug?
I have seen many shapes in my time, and you are nae in ony of them.
Come in. I'm fitter than a lot of folk half my age.
Oh, man. You're breathing out of your ears. You look like a pun of hanging mince.
Well, glands. A thyroid condition. And I've got bad knees.
Everybody's got a condition, haven't they? Nobody's just the hecht of pure laziness on him here.
I have got a medical condition.
Well, that bug of chips is not going to help that, is it?
Well, I'm not going to eat 'em on your bus.
I ken you're not, because you're not allowed to.
I'm not breaking any rules, am I?
I'm not speaking about the rules. I am speaking about the welfare of somebody who is at the wrong age to be turning into a right sumo.
Can I get on this bloody bus?
Nah.
Well, I'm not going to get off.
Aye, you bloody
Oh,
are.
no, I'm not.
What? Off you go. The walk will do you bloody good. I'm doing you a favour, man. You'll thank me later.
You're a twit. You're an idiot, man. You're very wise. Maybe the walk will do me good.
Kenneth, you try your best to help folk this tune. How far does it get you? Nay, why?
saga.